now. Gawin niyo muna yung trabaho niyo. Do your work. Oy, Paolo, you finish your work, ha? Answer! Yes!
Yes.
Very good. Color. There. Wait, ah. Just wait. Good morning! Wait, ah, Paula. What will you say? Good morning, teacher. Joni. You. Good morning, Paulo. Good morning, teacher. Joni, you sit properly. Sit properly. Okay, very good. No touching of toys later. Yes, later. Do that. Oh, open. You open, ah. Open.
Sige nga, tinawag marunong si Pon. Bilis, pakita mo kay mami.
Master niya na yun.
O, bilis.
Kaya lang inaano ko siya.
Ay, galing ni Pon. Bilis, pakita mo kay mami.
Say help! Slowly, Paolo. I fall. Slowly, ah. What? Balloon. Okay. Car. Very good. Oops. Ban. Very good. What's that? Motor. Again. What's this? Motor. This one? Very good. This one? Very good. This one? Ambulance. This one? Ship. Very good. This one? Very good. This one? Fire engine. This one? Very good. This one? Very good. Very good. Now get the plastic. Keep. What is that? What do you want next? What do you want to work next? This one, shape or the color or the number? You choose. What? No.
Color?
Keep
Ay,
first.
shape.
Keep.
Ayun, shape.
Matuto ka mag-keep. Very good. Very good.
So, Paula, ano namin ginagawa mo? Dahil nasa...
Alam niya yan eh.
Sige, ayusin isa-isa.
Very good, Paula. You match the letter, ha, Paula? No. This one is wrong. Yes, this one is wrong. This is for D, oh, like that. Oh. Hot balloon. Oh, you finished. What is next? What do you want to work next? The shape or the numbers or the color? Color. Okay, very good. Here, color. Read first, read. What is this? Blue. White. Red. Nangungopit.
Ayan,
And brown. Very good. What's this? Very good. This one? No. Pink. This one? Very good. This one? Orange. Very good. Green. Again. Very good. Very good. White. This one?
Red.
This one? Very good. This one? Bio? Very good. This one? No.
Pink.
Very good. This one? This one? This one? Green. Very good. Oh, now, you match the color. Match.
Paolo, ano naman?
Oh, this one. You
Hindi
put
pa
that.
tapos si Paula. Ano, ikaw, dami ka nang nagawa. Matagal, mahirap kay Paula. O, dinosaur.
Oh, kasi ano dyan yung alphabetical eh. Oh.
Anong letter na yan, Paula?
Very good na, Paolo.
Oh, letter
what's
P.
that?
Very
Oh,
good.
where you put?
Letter P.
There, very good. White. Yes, white. That's white. Oh, orange. Very good. Oh, what's that? Pink.
Hanapin mo, nasa yung pink.
Where? Very good. Green.
O, ano ba yan? Ano yan? Anong color yan?
Green.
O, nasaan ang green?
Alam niya na yung maglagay.
Yun.
Sasabihin lang, di alam.
O, anong color
Yan.
yan? Anong color yan?
Very
Red. O,
good.
nasa yung red. Ayun.
And, what's that? Brown. Okay, very good. What's that? Very good.
Tagalasan ka na.
Again, you read. What's this? Blue.
Sige.
White. Very good. Very good. Mayo. Very good. No. Point. What's this? Pink. Orange. No. Green. Very good. Again. Again. Okay. Remove. Read. Point. You point, huh? Blue. What's that? Yes. Very good. What's that?
White.
Next. Sabihin mo, ikaw magano?
Ano ba yan?
Oh, very good. No. This one. Brown. Very good. This one. Violet. Pink. Ano yan? What's that? Black.
Maliit.
Orange. Oh, what's that? Green. Okay, next is the shape. You read first. What is this? What is this? Circle. This one? This one? This one? This one? Red? This one? This one? This one? This one? This one? This one? Very good. Now do it. Galing na ni Bear. Oh, what's this? No. Oh, sige. Lagay mo muna. Circle. That's pentagon. Yes, pentagon. Okay. What's next? Oh, what's that? Oh, very good. You put. Okay. Next, what's that? What is that? Star. Very good. You put it. Much. Next, triangle. Yes. Make it nice, huh? What's that? Oblong. Where is oblong? Very good. Yes. Oh, what is that? What is this? Pointed. And, yes. Oh, what is that? Square. This one?
Ano yan?
Diamond. Now,
Pakita mo.
You read.
Hindi, pinakita kay Mami.
What
Pakita
is
mo
this?
buo. Pakita mo buo
What
kay
is
Mami.
this?
Pakita mo buo kay Mami.
What is this, Paolo? This
Pakita
one?
mo buo kay Mami yung nagawa mo.
Circle.
Oh, ayusin mo din. Ayusin mo.
Circle. This one. is this? This one. Very good. This one? Triangle. This one? Rectangle.
Anong
Okay,
letter
this
yan?
one?
Anong letter yan?
This one? This one?
Ito, letter A.
This one? This one? This one? Square, very good. Oh, you put very
Ay,
good.
galing nga ni Paula.
Okay.
Oo, nabuo mo na. Ayun.
Yes, you're very good. Oh, you sit down. You will read first before you read this one. Oh, you sit down first. Now read. A. Very good. Very good. Very good. No, E. K. L. M. N. No, O. First P. R. S. This one. T. U. V. What's this? What's this? W. One. Z. Very good.
Paano ginagawa mo, Paul?
Do this first. Numbers. Later you will write. Not yeah. Yes.
Sige, ayusin mo. May number pa kayo.
You sit down properly. Look for the number. What number is this? What number is this? This one is what number? What number is this, Paul? Say it. 7. Okay, where's 7? Point. Very good. Now put it. Put this. Okay. Very good. Next. Match the number. Paula. What number is that, Paula? What number is this? No. What number? Very good. Do it. Oh, what next? 3. This one, 3. You put this first 3 here. 6. You find 6 first. Find number 6. Yes. Where is number 6? What's this? What number is this? 1. Where is 1? Here. Okay. Oh, you're not yet finished. Read this. What number is this, Paula? You read first. You read. Ay, where's the plastic? Read first. Paula, huwag mo basta ano. Read that. Oh, you read first. You point. Next.
6.
Six. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. 10. Again.